Welcome the our channel. Today we how to configure Slack notification preferences for work focus mode, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Slack application on your desktop or mobile device. Log into your workspace if you haven't already. Once logged in, locate your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or initials to open a drop-down menu. Select the Preferences option from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences menu, navigate to the Notifications section on the left sidebar. Under the Notifications section, you'll see various options for how you want to receive alerts. To enable focus mode, look for the mute setting. Toggle the Do Not Disturb schedule to customize the times you want to limit notifications. You can adjust the start and end times according to your work schedule. Once set, click Save Changes if prompted. Next, explore the different notification types available to further fine-tune your preferences. Decide whether you want to receive notifications for direct messages, mentions, or reactions. You can select all new messages or only direct messages, mentions, and keywords based on your focus needs. Next, review the option to receive desktop notifications. You can choose to turn off notifications completely or select specific channels to mute. For mobile devices, ensure that push notifications are enabled in your phone settings. Return to the Slack app and check if the settings reflect your preferences. Once everything is adjusted, exit the Preferences menu. Now, you are set up for a more focused work experience with reduced distractions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.